Divas. I have more from Tivisiy to show you, and I'm getting a jump on my Christmas presents already. I liked their 3D woodcuts so much that I ordered some other stuff from the store. I hope you have had a chance to check out their website. They have more than these 3D woodcuts. They have jewelry. They have like 3D wood animals. They have a lot of different things on their website. Home decor items. They come packaged very well, as you can see. I am still stripping off the bubble wrap. It comes fairly quickly. It really does. It came less than, well, it took less than 2 weeks to get to me. And they have any number of things. Now, let's see if I can remember what I ordered. Alrighty, let's do the smaller one first, shall we? It does have all the smaller things in there. Let me see here. Oh, this is nice. It comes in a little canvas bag that says Tivisiy on it. I ordered, let me show you. Let me get the big box out of the way so I can show you what I'm doing here. Alright, this is the little jewelry box. I ordered an elephant ring. Well, you know me and elephants. And I hope I ordered the right size. I'm not sure. Not very good at judging sizes. I got it a size 7. Let me see if I can give you a little bit more. Can you see that? It's got elephants all around it. It's pretty. Really shiny, too. Did I get the right size? Well, I'm not taking Daphne off. But very nice. Very nice. I will put it on my other finger. Yeah, that works. Oh, that fits even better. Cool. Very pretty. Very nice. I like this. This box is interesting. Very interesting. Alright, put that aside for now. Let's see what else is in here. Another Tivisiy bag. A little bit wider here. Oh, yes, I got earrings. More Ellies. I'll show you. These are wood laser cut earrings. Aren't they cool? I'll put a blank piece of paper behind it. Can you see them? Look how the light shines through them. They're beautiful. Really neat. Laser cut. The ears are like lacy. They're bigger than I expected. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Alright, that's one. I have 2 others here I'll open for you. These are butterflies. And they have a turquoise colored bead above them. Butterfly wings with the turquoise bauble above them. You see that? Pretty. The bead even has like the veins, like turquoise veins in it. Neat. Well, okay. These couple aren't Christmas presents. They're for me. The earrings. Let's see. I had to get some things for myself, didn't I? and leaves. Aren't they pretty? They're really long. These earrings are bigger than I thought they were. I don't remember if they had the measurements on the site or not. Like how big they are on the site or not. But they're gorgeous. They're really well done. There's no, I mean, they're smooth. There's no jagged cuts or anything on them. Really beautiful. Very beautiful. Does it say which company? It just says Fashion Jewelry. Okay. All right. Let's get to the rest in this box here. Now, I did expect some things to be small. Ooh. Ooh. Aww. I did get another thing for my bear, for my son, for Christmas. It is obviously two bears hugging. It's like a little puzzle. It comes apart. They all come apart. One bear hugging another. That's cute. Really cute. This could have had a darker finish on it. Excuse me. Could have had a darker finish on it, but it's, I guess to make the heart stand out, it was a light color. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This one Christmas present, and let's see. In here should be another woodcut. I thought I had gotten... Aww. I didn't remember getting this. This is nice. Oh, it's two elephants with their trunks up, holding each other with a heart. Oh, obviously I got another thing for myself too. I know I got a smaller... thought I got a Christmas ornament. I'll have to dig around a little bit, see if I have everything from the box. I know I had the big one there too. Isn't this pretty? Aww. Nice and smooth. They look like what they're supposed to look like. The heart's a little sticky, but it's okay. There we go. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful. Love it. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. I'll have to show you my elephant collection sometime. I have a case, like a display case with them in. Most of them. Some of them are plushies that can't go in the case, but alright. Give animals a home, this says. Put the other little ones back in here, because this all goes upstairs. Okay. And the bigger one. Let's see. We use a lot of tape and a lot of bubble wrap. I'm happy about that. I don't know exactly where they ship from. And they have, I was wondering about these delicate items being shipped, how they would do being shipped. And they're in great shape, so I needn't have worried. Oh, I know it's riveting video watching me struggle with wrapping paper, isn't it? Oh, for Pete's sake. Come on. They're very well packed. Oh, jeez. Get through it now? Can I pull it out now? Ha! Here we go. Yes. All right. Ooh. All right. This is a yard ornament. It is a yard ornament. My daughter loves otters. This is metal. And it has, I got one of the longer spikes so you can put it in the garden. Look at the little face. Look at the little face on it. Can you see? Oh my gosh. I'll show you. Let me get you close in. Look at the little face. Isn't it cute? It's like, who's that? And you can see the mountains in the background and the water, like it looks like the light, how the light, looks like how the light shines on water. And you see the three otters standing together over here. And it even looks like there's one over here on the ground. I love these laser cut things. They're so intricate. They're so intricate. I'm going to love having this out in the garden. I know my daughter's going to love it. Okay, so that's my Tivisiy order. I'm glad you could join me. And I have a link to 15% off below if you'd like to purchase. If you'd like to purchase any gifts from Tivisiy, there is a 15% off code below, and the website is linked there and everything. So have a go. Start your Christmas shopping early. All right. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.